In this video, we are going to learn how to solve these JAMB economics problems under petroleum and the Nigerian economy. So we are going to focus on the subtopic, the onshore and offshore of the oil sector. We have now a few questions to practice in the video. Let's get started. The first question here says, one of the major activities in the upstream sector of the Nigerian petroleum industry includes transportation of finished products, exploration of crude oil, marketing of refined petrol, refining of crude oil. Right answer is option B, exploration of crude oil. So the upstream sector deals with exploration of crude oil. Next question is one. It says the oil producing areas in Nigeria are agitating for special compensation owing mainly to the high level of poverty, the high level of unemployment, environmental pollution, constant flooding. The right answer is option C, environmental pollution. Next question is one. It says the distinction between onshore and offshore operations in the oil exploration lies in the location of sites, output generated, techniques of production, size of production. Right answer is option A, which is location of sites. Okay, next question is this one. It says to facilitate the exploration of crude oil from Nigeria, special pipelines were laid to connect the major oil wells to the ports. Roads were built to connect the major oil wells to the ports. Airstrips were constructed for jets to evacuate the oil. Railway lines were constructed to connect the major oil wells to the ports. Right answer is option A. Pipelines were laid to connect the major oil wells to the ports. Okay, next question is this one. It says the activities in the oil and gas industry are classified into exploration and transportation, upstream and downstream, onshore and offshore, discovering and extraction. Right answer is option B, upstream and downstream. Very important. This question is this one. It says good petroleum is a good example of where wasting asset, costless resource, synthetic product, lasting asset. The right answer is option A, which is wasting asset. Okay, next question is this one. It says the downstream activities of oil companies in Nigeria involve refining and distribution, oil, offshore drilling, prospection and exploration, management of spillage and pollution. The right answer is option A, refining and distribution. So the downstream activities involve refining and distribution. The next question is this one. It says loading of crude oil at the terminal is an activity in the downstream sectors of the oil industry, midstream and upstream sectors of the oil industry, upstream and downstream sector of the oil industry, upstream sector of the oil industry. The right answer is option B, midstream and upstream sectors of the oil industry. Last question before I end this video is one. It says upstream oil activities involve the, I think we have already answered similar question, involves the exploration of crude oil, option B. So guys, this basically can do problems involving the onshore and offshore of the oil sector in petroleum and Nigerian economy as a topic. We practice with 90 questions for this subtopic. Hope you learned something interesting in the video. Let's go to the video, guys. If you are new to this channel, ensure that you subscribe to this channel by hitting the subscribe button for more of these videos. Also like, share and comment on this video. Tell me how you feel, what you learned from the video. If you seem to have any specific questions to ask regarding what I've talked about in the video, feel free to leave your question in the comment section below, and I'll ensure to give you a response. Also ensure that you're part of the channel membership by clicking the join button. We're getting premium information that will help you to excel in your exams like your JAMB and other exams you'll be writing. Okay, so having done this, click on the screen above and I will see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.